The passion for skiing is increasing in China, as the Beijing Winter Olympics is approaching. Yuan Baoshan Ski Resort in Chengde City, North China's Hebei province, has seen a surge in the arrival of skiers in the ski season. Many of them are novices of the sport.
以前也没滑过雪，然后特地就带孩子来感受一下。孩子呢也没滑过雪，就带他来玩一玩，开心开心，挺好。这个场地也挺好。
The ski resort has arranged coaches to instruct the learners.
就是没有想到会这么多人来滑雪，然后我是今年教了好几个孩子，就是今年又是那个2022年冬奥会，又是就是3亿人上冰雪，现在滑雪人这么多，我就也是很高兴，然后我教人教的也是比较高兴，我是比较活跃的。